Last Tuesday, October 24, 2017, a resident of Feliciano, Argentina did her daily walk in San Jose Park and took a photograph at the moment a lightning occurred. The amazing image made by the woman shows a mysterious light that seems to point to the sky. It appeared as if someone had put a huge tube somewhere up to heaven. Although some people thought that it was a gateway to another world and others claimed that the phenomenon was related to time travel, the beam of light is more likely a rare natural phenomenon. What occurred at the moment a cold front meets a warm front, according to news site Realidad Regional. The two fronts cannot mix because of the difference in temperatures and densities. When both types cause a collision, it can produce extreme weather events, including thunderstorms, and even tornadoes.